How to fix Binance two-factor authentication not working error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if your Binance two-factor authentication is not working properly. So there might be a few reasons why that's happening. The first one is being your time unsynced. So if you're using Google Authenticator or any other authenticator app like Authy or even Binance's own authenticator app, you need to make sure that your phone time is set automatically, and a few seconds of mismatch could have caused the invalid codes. So let's just see how you can do that. Open settings. From settings menu, you need to go ahead and find general management. And from general management, go to date and time. Make sure the automatic date and time is turned on, as well as the automatic time zone. Once you have done that, you can also try backup codes. Binance often provides backup codes when you first set up your two-factor authentication. Use one of those if available. Then you can also change your device's settings. So if you've changed your phone settings or reinstalled the app, you must restore the 2FA using the backup key or rebind it through the Binance security settings. Go over to Binance and then tap on the profile icon or the Binance icon at the top left corner. From the top left corner on the menu, you can tap on the profile ID and then go to security, tap on 2FA, and you can easily connect your authenticator app from here. Once that is done, you can also try to reset your 2FA. So from your security verification, if you've set up anything, you can just go ahead and reset it. You should be good to go. And the final option is to basically go ahead and update or reinstall the app completely. Long press on it, tap on uninstall. If you're sure that you want to uninstall, tap on OK and you're good to go. Reinstall the app and it should work normally. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.